Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys hidden weaknesses every woman has that every man needs to know and actually implement. Okay, this is weaknesses that you need to actually make use of, not the ones that you are going to be scared of or run away from. These ones you actually need to implement them at some point in your relationship. Okay, this will help you to be the man in that relationship. This will help you to know your partner well and know how to actually, you know how to deal with your partner. These particular weaknesses are the weaknesses that every man should know. So watch this video to the end, okay? Now, number one is validation. Do you know that a lot of women, in fact, most women, okay, actually falls when you actually continue reassuring them. Now, women always get this instinct in them that their man might leave them, or there are a lot of women out there that are more perfect than them, stuff like that. So because of this, they are always like, there's always something going on in their head, in their mind. Now, if you're a man that you always reassures your woman, now I'm talking about a woman that deserves this particular reassurance, okay? You are not going to be reassuring a woman that you're already fed up with, a woman that's not actually giving you anything like peace or any of that stuff, a woman that's troublesome, a woman that's so toxic and all this stuff. How are you going to reassure this woman that you are going to love to stay with that woman over and over again? I don't think that will be possible, okay? But then, for a woman that's giving you peace, for a woman that is kind, for a woman that is sweet, for a woman that is peaceful, a woman that's peaceful, a woman that supports your marriage, supports your life, supports the family at large, okay? A woman that is there for you, even when you need her, she's there for you. Then this is one thing you need to implement. Reassuring her often that you are going to do this life with her. Like, even if you are given another opportunity to get married, that it's still going to be her. That you are never going to go out there for any other woman. That you're not even ready to go. Now, let me tell you the secret. A lot of men use this particular hidden secret, this particular weaknesses against their woman, even when they're not doing what they're saying. And it's still working. Now, I'm not telling you to actually use this and telling her things that are not real. That's not what I'm telling you. But I'm telling you how efficient, how important, how effective this particular secret is. Right? Because even when you're using it and you're not implementing those things you're saying to her, it is still going to work. Okay? But don't do that. Being real and being the real man is the best, okay? You have to mean what you're saying to her. And that makes a whole lot, because a woman can even find out when you are lying to her. Okay? Your woman, if she has those real instincts in her, can find out when you are lying to her. That's why you need to be real. You need to be actually truthful, right? So you need to actually continue reassuring her from time to time that you will do this again and again with her. That even if you are given another opportunity, that you will do it with her. That she is the love of your life. Okay? That you love her. That you're not going to actually have anything to do with any other woman. You see, that kind of reassurance makes a woman to like go crazy about you. Okay, let me tell you, that's a big secret that a lot of men doesn't know. Okay, reassuring her, even when you have all the purest heart, but you don't actually reassure your woman, hey, and you're always going out, she will be thinking in her head, in her mind, oh my goodness, there are a lot of women out there who knows what's going on. I know that this might be in your mind. You might be thinking in your mind. You might be thinking that that woman is not actually confident in herself and all those stuff. Yes, but this happens a whole lot for women. That starts from the beginning of the creation of life. Okay, when God said to Eve, "You are going to desire your man." This is a punishment, okay? You are going to desire your man. That's what is happening in our life. Go ahead and read Genesis, okay? If you're a Christian, you will notice what I'm talking about. So, women are meant to desire you. They will definitely want you to give them the best. That's why they are behaving like that. So, if you're seeing a woman behaving that way, she'll be like, who knows what's going on in her mind? Who knows what's going on? Who knows in future what this man will do? That's what they're thinking. This man might leave me. This man this man that, okay? That is valid for them. That's how women behave. That's how they are meant to behave. If your woman is not actually thinking this way about you, then you are not in the right track, okay? That woman doesn't want you in her life. But if you won't want you in her life, she will be thinking about all this stuff, okay? That's why you need to continue reassuring her that you are going to be with her no matter what. Yes. That you did this life with her again and again. That you don't see any other woman except her. You know this kind of words. it turns a woman's head upside down. You are turning her head up, and she will be longer, she will be creative, she will be there for you. Okay, this is another powerful secret that you can use on your woman. Is a weakness that a lot of men doesn't even know about. Okay, they don't even know about it, but it is actually very effective. Okay, now the next one I'm going to be talking about is your love and care. Now, loving your woman and caring for your woman should be for that woman that still deserves it, okay? That's why if your marriage or your relationship is not actually the way it should be, go ahead and go for counseling. Because a lot of men or a lot of women doesn't even know anything about how relationships are supposed to be, okay? So if that woman in your life is actually very toxic, go ahead and go for what's counseling, because the both of you need it, okay, so that you build a better relationship. We are talking about a healthier relationship, okay? So when you are caring and loving your partner, when you are not only saying I love you with your words, but you are also showing it with your attitude towards her. When things happen, you think before you actually say anything, okay? You think about how you are feeling and also how she is feeling. This is something that should be vice versa. So don't ask me what are women supposed to do. Women are supposed to do the same thing. And if the both of you work hand in hand, it's going to work better. Okay. Now let me tell you, if you are doing all these things and your partner is not doing the same with you, it might not work. That's why you need counseling. If something like this is happening and you notice that your partner is not in the same terms with you, go ahead and go for counseling. The both of you need that counseling to counsel your mind and everything, including her. Okay, so that things that we need to enjoy our relationship. Even if while it lasts, we need to enjoy it, okay? While it lasts, okay? So that's the thing. So you don't stay in a relationship and you are not happy, and you think that you are going to be healthy. You need to be happy in that relationship for you to be healthy, for you to be flourishing. If not, when you are in a toxic relationship, when you are in a very unhappy relationship, you are also reducing your lifespan, because it's going to affect you mentally, it's going to affect you even in your health and every other way. So you're reducing your lifespan, okay? So that's why you need to maintain and actually fight for a healthier relationship. Now, this doesn't guarantee that that relationship is going to last forever. That's what everybody's praying for, right? But it's not a guarantee, but it's a guarantee for a healthier relationship. A relationship that is more happy. That's what we are talking about, okay? So what happens in future? You need to enjoy that particular time you are with your partner. This is vice versa for men and even for women, okay? Everybody needs to work hand in hand. That's why loving and caring for your partner is one of the things you need to actually implement so badly, okay? Now, another weakness I want to talk about is creating boundaries. Okay, this is very important, and this is another way you can actually put your woman in the right place, okay? When you create boundaries and you work on it, you're not going to say I wouldn't want this, and when it happens you will start being biased about it. Go ahead and say no when needs be, okay? When you don't have something and she asks for something, you tell her no, I don't have it, and it should be no. Not that you have it and you're hiding it, right? Or you said no, I have it, but I wouldn't give it to you. Be plain and also explain yourself. I know a lot of people will tell you, say no and don't even care about what she thinks. No, that's not what I'm here for, okay? When you tell her no, create her boundaries and make sure that it's plain. Make sure that you are polite when you're also building that particular thing, because you need to actually hold on to it. If you create a particular thing and you say, I want this thing this way, but when it happens the other way, you don't even care. You don't say anything. You don't even stand up about it, then it's going to continue happening that way. And a woman, when she notices that you are not someone that doesn't care about anything, she will do even more than what you're expecting. So there should be limits to things you will take. There should be limits to things you will accept, right? The things that you would never want to actually accept. So you be plain about it and explain reasons why you need to, because this is not a partnership. It's not let's say it's not something you're doing with your let's say a superior and the lower one, let me say in a company, let's say in a company or in a military zone, you are not in that kind of atmosphere. You are in your family. So you need to build that relationship with your partner. And when you're creating those boundaries, be straight about it, be plain about it, and also explain why things are like this, okay? So that if she wants to understand, good for her. If she doesn't want, but you have made your own move and the right move at that, okay? So creating boundaries is another powerful weakness that women have. When you're a man that has limits to things, a woman will actually have no other option than to be in the right place where she's supposed to be. But when you are creating, no, you don't have any boundaries, you can take anything, the woman will dish out anything to you, even those things you will not expect, okay? So that's another powerful weakness that women have, okay? So that is it. I wanted to talk about these three weaknesses that we, or let's say men particularly, need to actually implement. You need to implement these particular weaknesses, okay? And let me tell you, the right time, okay? Implement these things the right time, and you are going to enjoy your relationship, okay? So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, okay? And also like the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this. What do you think? I want to hear you in the comment section, and a lot of other people that are watching this video will also derive one or two from your comments, okay? So comment, like, share this video to your loved ones, okay? Now also subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, yes, so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video.